How to add SeekCoin to your wallet. You can add SeekCoin to your wallet in two ways. Firstly, connect your wallet with SeekCoin. I have connected my MetaMask wallet. First method. Click the Add SeekCoin to MetaMask button. Click on the Add Token button. The token will be added to your wallet, and it will display your SeekCoin balance. Second method. Add SeekCoin to your wallet manually. Go to MetaMask or any other wallet you have. Click the Import Token button. A form will appear. Add the token address, token symbol, token decimal, and click on the Add Custom Token button. It will display the coin and your SeekCoin balance. Click on the Import Token button. The token will be added to your wallet.